What's new, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Blink Mini 2K Plus and getting it set up. This is the newest Blink Mini 3rd Gen camera. It's basically the new features are it's got 2K Plus and it's got noise cancellation. I'm going to do a comparison video between the 2nd Gen Blink Mini and this new Blink Mini 2K in my next video, so be on the lookout for that if you want to see the differences. This video is going to focus on just unboxing this and getting this set up. Let's take a quick look on the outside. Got the new camera, new branding colors, some marketing on either side here, brand name, its tech features, and a little bit more marketing on the back. So to get this box opened up, there's this tab, same as the 2nd Gen. Just kind of cut it open there. And it's going to flip open. And it's got some instructions right at the top. Just get the app and click add your camera. So the first thing we see is the actual camera itself. And then take that out. Oops. And on the right side, we have the USB cable. Got the hardware. Here's the actual instructions, the quick start guide, which is typically the same as was in the top of the box, and then the rest of it's just regulatory information. So let's kind of set that to the side here. And the last thing we got in here is the power adapter. So that is it for the unboxing part. Let's get this guy set up now. So we're going to start by just opening up the app and then tapping add camera and go from there. Alright, so we have the app open. And like the instructions said, we're going to tap the plus icon to add a device. We have a mini camera. Wants us to capture the QR code printed on the device. So it's right here on the back of the camera. I'll add it to my Sync Module XR. Now it wants me to plug in the device here. So I got this USB cable I'm going to use for right now. Alright, it is plugged in. You can see the red light blinking. It's booted up now and it's trying to sync. Once your device is plugged in, wait 10 seconds or until the indicator lights turn on, which is this blinking blue. It doesn't really show the green light over here. So this solid green and the blinking blue means that it's in discovery mode. We're going to go ahead and click discover device. Alright, Blink 8T29 should match the serial number there. The last 4 digits is 8T29, so got the right camera here. Alright, it's connected successfully. We gotta set up the Wi-Fi. This only supports 2.4, it doesn't support 5G. Alright, once you get the Wi-Fi password typed in, you're going to click join. You'll see the lights change pattern on the camera. Firmware is updating. Do not want to save my password. Alright, the camera has been added to my sync module. I'll get to give it a name. We'll name it 2K. Let's see if we can do special characters. We can. We'll give it 2K plus. It's going to give you some advice where to place it. I'm just going to do my normal spot facing away from me on the desk here. Let me open the blinds to give it a see what the view outside looks like. Alright, we got the blinds open now. Let's go ahead and click done. Alright, it's going to give us a free trial of the Blink Plus plan for 30 days. It's going to tell us the features of it. So now that we got the camera, we can go to our page here, our home page, with the proper sync module selected. Click on it. Go ahead and mute it. We'll get feedback. And the view should load up here. And there, we got a pretty crisp view of the outside. We'll save this clip and see what the audio sounds like. This is me talking. And that is how you set up your Blink Mini 2K camera. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.